My name is Gabriel Gordoa. I'm 33 and I'm Cosbel's plant manager in Mexico City. I'm responsible of the plant's operation and the development of its strategic vision. We are responsible of delivering high-quality products and at the best cost. We support the various countries that we source in the Hispanic zone and the US with their strategies regarding mainly hair care and deodorant technologies. I always find it amazing to see these new products coming out of our packaging lines. These products that we as L'Oréal imagined becoming real and available to our customers for the first time. A part of my work is dedicated to the day-to-day activity in the plant. I enjoy working with the teams in the analysis and results achieved and the definition and follow-up of the action plans. Always looking to close the gaps and improve our performance. It's great time for me to stay close, to better understand the status and the needs of our process, and to guarantee that the team's efforts in the short term match with our strategic mid and long-term vision. I'm very proud of the people that execute our production. It is my job to challenge my team in details, timelines, and resources to achieve the most efficient solutions. I myself started in L'Oréal as a trainee in production, so I understand how challenging it can be to target perfection in an industrial process and all the efforts that are required. Some projects involve product innovation, so we work side by side with other functions like packaging, development, and purchasing in the definition and execution of the best solutions for our business. Other projects involve the plant's transformation to be more productive or to increase capacity. Through time, this becomes very impressive. When I look back some years and see what we have achieved with our efforts, it always inspires me to continue towards our vision, to be the best plant for our clients. For me, it's important that everyone in the plant feels excited and inspired with what we do, just as much as I am. So, now you know why I'm so passionate about my job. I can't wait for tomorrow.